hope you like this place. I tell you.
Very good.
Here is Ezimo in the new local government of Chuka, Enugu State. This is the natural. You see, people can easily drink this water, you know.
Really, people can drink this water?
Of course, of course.
Oh, that's nice. Wow.
You like this place?
Yeah, I love this place. Wow. This place is beautiful. Wow.
This is natural water.
Wow.
You can see if you go inside this place with waterfall.
A waterfall. Wow.
Yeah,
I've
coming
never
down.
been to this place before.
More
Wow.
than 100 feet from above, you know. Yeah.
Wow, really? Oh my God. A mountain went up from that place.
No. There's not a mountain.
Wow. Okay. No, I love this cave. Let's take it out today. Let's take it out today. Yeah, let's take it out today.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Yeah, that's good. Wow. This is
picture very nice. Wow, the picture is very nice.
You send it to me first, okay?
I'll send it to you.
Send it to me.
Yeah, baby, I'll send it to you. This is really nice.
So let's go inside and see you.
Oh, I'm scared.
No, don't be scared here. You are with me, you are scared. You don't have to be scared.
Oh, inside.
It's like
Are you sure nothing will happen to us? Are you sure?
Why are you scared? You are with me, you are scared. I told you nothing will challenge me, even the spirit cannot challenge me. Do you know why?
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Are you sure nothing will happen to us?
Nothing will happen to us.
Did you hear the sound, baby? Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound?
No.
Did nothing happen to us?
Nothing will happen to us. I am proud! This is my town! Nothing will happen! If any man does me, I'll kill. That's all. Can you see? Yeah, I will be alive. I told you nothing will happen. This is just your blind sound. I told you. Wow! Bring your phone, let's take a selfie.
You be Mumu. You think say they wise? You are a Mumu man.
Wow! This is a waterfall.
Wow, I'm so happy to be here. Wow, it's alive. I'm not a father.
What do you mean by you're not a father? They would have taken our life. That beast would have taken my life. Would have taken our life.
I said I'm not a father.
What do you mean by you're not a father? What do you mean? But people call you Reverend Father. What do you mean?
People call me Reverend.
What do you mean
not
by
a
that?
Reverend Father.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, Reverend is my guy name. Reverend is my guy name. Is it because I'm wearing this thing? I go even remove her.
He shot you.
I did like father. I'm father. I'm Reverend by guy name, not Reverend Father. People should understand the difference between Reverend and Reverend Father. What do you mean by father? Father what? People call me Reverend. Yes, I'm Reverend by guy name, not Reverend Father. I'm leaving you.